Introducing the APEC Water Systems Essence Series, a pinnacle of water filtration technology designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA. With an unwavering commitment to water safety and your well-being, this system stands as a beacon of supreme quality in the industry. In this review, we delve into its exceptional features, certifications, and the promise of delivering unlimited, crisp tasting, and pure drinking water right in the comfort of your home. Join us as we explore why this system is a trusted choice for countless households seeking top-notch water filtration solutions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Supreme quality guaranteed. This system is a testament to supreme quality in water filtration. Designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA, this system prioritizes water safety and your health. It offers peace of mind knowing that it is manufactured in a country known for rigorous quality standards. Number 2. Unrivaled purification technology. This system boasts the cutting-edge technology required to remove up to 99% of impurities from your water. It can tackle a wide range of contaminants, including arsenic, chlorine, lead, fluoride, heavy metals, and over 1,000 other impurities. With a maximum total dissolved solids (TDS) capacity of 2,000 ppm, it can handle a variety of water sources. It operates effectively with feed water pressure ranging from 40 to 85 psi. Number 3. WQA Certified Excellence. This system is a WQA certified system, signifying its excellence and reliability in water purification. Its premium, long-lasting filters are capable of treating both tap water and well water, providing you with unlimited clean, refreshing, and crisp-tasting water that surpasses bottled water quality. Number 4. Complete package for purity. This system comes with a 100% lead-free designer faucet and certified AGG premium-grade tubing and parts, ensuring that your water remains safe and free from impurities. The pipe size is 1/4 inch, contributing to the system's efficiency. Number 5. Convenient and cost-effective. This system empowers you to enjoy unlimited ultra-fresh, clean, and great-tasting water in the comfort of your home. You'll benefit from savings in both money and time, as you no longer need to purchase costly bottled water. Moreover, this environmentally friendly choice promotes a healthier lifestyle by providing ultra-safe water that is free of impurities. Number 6. Gold Standard Certification. This system has achieved the highest standard in the industry, the WQA Gold Seal. This certification ensures that you receive the highest quality clean, filtered drinking water at an affordable price. It's a reliable choice for your family's hydration needs. Number 8. Built to last. Crafted from high-caliber components, this system offers exceptional impurity rejection rates and reliable long-term performance. This 5-stage water filter system has been engineered for durability, and its lineage of success in water filtration ensures that it will provide your family with high-quality drinking water for many years. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 16 inches length by 5.25 inches width by 17.5 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Reliable, noise-free, and trouble-free operation. Cost-effective, eliminating the need for bottled water. Long-lasting filters for both tap and well water. High-caliber components ensure durability. 1 reason not to buy. Regular filter replacement is necessary. Conclusion. The APEC Water Systems ROES-50 Essence Series is a top-tier water filtration system that prioritizes your health, offers unrivaled purification capabilities, and comes with a proven track record of excellence. With its complete package and commitment to quality, it's a reliable choice for providing your family with clean and safe drinking water. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.